Finally tonight, they're driven entrepreneurs and they're big on investing in bitcoins. Plus, they think Hong Kong will become the Bitcoin capital of the world. That's despite setbacks, including restrictions on Bitcoin trading here on the mainland. Kathy Yang has the story.
At the Skuchang Academy in North Point in the eastern part of Hong Kong Island, bitcoins are accepted here. The digital currency is music to the ears of owner Jo Lun Lun, who first learned about bitcoins in 2009 from her students in Silicon Valley. She says her customer base grew since she started accepting bitcoin since last September.
Start from 15% to 20%. Now 30% of my customers are using Bitcoin to pay. Bitcoin is quick and not fee. Very convenient to me.
Over in the northwestern part of New Territories in Hong Kong, Laser Yuan lays claim to creating Hong Kong's first Bitcoin trading platform.
How long did it take for you to make the system?
It took me about half a year.
A doctorate degree holder in financial engineering, this 36-year-old native of Hubei on the mainland gave up his desk job to start his Bitcoin career in his own apartment. He rented a cloud system to store data in the U.S. His online Bitcoin exchange now boasts of more than 1,000 members.
Four currencies, it's in Hong Kong dollar, Chinese yuan, USD, and euro.
So if I wanted to put an amount here of, say, maybe 1.1.
You will get 7,000
Hong Kong
dollars.
For the amount of 1.1 Bitcoin?
Yes.
Right now there's a lot of opposition. The mainland authorities are restricting its use. Even the Hong Kong Monetary Authority say don't use it, and even Alibaba is restricting it from its platform.
I think government will take some time to learn about Bitcoin. It will bring us a lot of benefit.
Mr. Yan has collected around 20 bitcoins so far, and he keeps them in several places, including his online wallet. He looks forward to the day Bitcoin investors could do their transactions offline on automated teller machines like this one, the maker of the world's first Bitcoin ATM. Its first machine is now up and running in Canada. Imagine ATMs like these that don't spew out cash but bitcoins. It's what Hong Kong residents could see by the end of this month, as the American company behind the world's first cash machine for bitcoins installs its first teller machine here after Vancouver in the lead-up to the Lunar New Year holidays. Mr. Yan foresees the day bitcoins replace the existing currency as the mode of payment for anything from basic goods to discretionary purchases. Lun Lun, though, doesn't quite think so. While convinced bitcoins will become more and more popular, the digital currency she believes will end up coexisting alongside the Hong Kong dollar. Either way, bitcoins have been a disruptive force in the currency markets, and it's changing the way people think about how they earn, spend, and invest in this digital world. Kathy Yang, CCTV, Hong Kong.